Hey guys, and welcome back to the Ate Says series. Now today is going to be a different background because I'm going to talk about setting up your personal home office. So this is my own personal home office right here, and I'm going to talk about the tools that you will need to be able to successfully work from home, whether you are a freelancer or you were forced to work from home because of the coronavirus. So the first thing that you need is just your laptop. You need to have a good laptop with good specs. I won't go into details on it because it's such a huge topic on the different things that you need if you're going to look for a laptop, if you're going to work from home. But basically, you just have it again. It depends on the kind of job that you have. If you're a graphic artist, you need a higher processor. If you're just going to be data processing or data collection, then you might not need the higher specs laptop. So it really depends on what you will need to be doing while you're working. So that's the first thing. First thing is your laptop. The second thing is going to be earphones. I'm lucky that I have a Bluetooth earphone. This is a JBL Bluetooth earphone, and I love these because then I just charge them at night and I use them the whole day, and it's good. The reason why you need earphones when you're working from home is one, you might not be living at home alone. So you might be disturbing other people who are there with you. Two is that it's just better to listen to audio to video. If you're going to be doing video calls with a client, for example, it's better to have your own earphones because then the microphone's a little bit better. You're not talking or you don't have to shout so they can hear you. So that's the second thing, microphone. And then the third thing is something that not a lot of people think about is I always have a notebook right beside me. So, you might be working all digital, all really fast, but having a notebook nearby, and of course a pen, having a notebook and a pen nearby helps with your productivity so much because then you can easily pick up a pen and like your notebook when you have to write something really fast. When you're in a meeting and you can't switch tabs between your notepad, your notepad on your computer, then you just have your notebook right there. Plus, it's easy to forget ideas. It's easy to forget that you're supposed to do this thing. So having a notebook nearby so you can take out and jot down notes and then move it to your computer is so helpful. Now, the fourth thing that you need in your virtual office is internet. A lot of people don't really think that they need fast enough internet for working from home, but you do. So even if you just have at least 3 to 5 Mbps internet, if you want to work from home, that's already great because then you can properly send emails, you can do video calls, as long as you keep in mind the different things that take up your internet bandwidth. Now, you want to take in mind, like, if you do video calls with a client, that will slow down internet versus just having audio. If you are going to be, again, in the same example, if you're going to do video calls with someone or just a call, even an audio call, closing all of the tabs that have like YouTube open or Facebook open will save you like the frustration of having your internet slow down at the opportune moment. So having a good internet connection, if you can get it higher, then that would be perfect if you're trying to work from home. Now, one of the last things that you will need when you're trying to work from home is a good view. Now, one of the things that kind of sucks when you're working from home is you have to be looking at your computer for long periods of time. So having a view, even though it's just kind of your backyard, even though it's just just you looking up the sky if your window is too high, that's fine as long as you can rest your eyes, because a lot of people neglect that part, is that your eyes do get stressed from looking at the computer screen for so long. So you need a good view to look at. Every 20 minutes or so, give your eyes a break, look outside, contemplate life, have an existential crisis, and then go back to work. A bonus tip, though, if you can't have a good view, you can just get what I have. These are just basically blue coated. That's what they call it in the when I got these glasses. This basically does not have prescription, and it's basically just for computers, just so I don't get a migraine, because that's one of the things that I get when I'm working from home, looking at my screen for too long. So this is about like 2,000 pesos. It depends on where you buy it from. And it's good for me if I am, it's dark already and I can't see from into the outside, or if I want to be in a cave for some reason, I can just wear my glasses and I'll be okay for the rest of the day. But do take breaks if you're going to be working from home. That's basically all the tools that you need. You don't really need the very fancy things that you see a lot of people have, like, big muffy earphones and then they have a good microphone. You don't really need a big ergonomic chair. Like, I just have like the same chair that I've had in the last 5 years. As long as you're comfortable, as long as you can work, you don't even need a really big fancy table. You can even just put your laptop on your lap if you're just starting out. So if you're going to be working from home, those are your essentials. Having a good laptop, having earphones so you can listen and then you can talk to people properly, having a good notebook and pen nearby, having internet. That's just important. Don't forget their internet. And then having a view that you can look over so you don't stress out your eyes. So that was it for this Ate Says episode. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any questions, please let me know below in the comments, and I would be more than happy to give you guys more details, more specs on what I use myself when I'm working from home. Again, I post this video on my Facebook, my LinkedIn, and my YouTube, so please check them out wherever you are, and I'll see you guys in the next video.